Computers are the heart of your business needs. But what if they were to stop working, stopping your business in its tracks? With ASUS ZenCare, we guarantee the quality of our devices, that if you were to experience any technical defects in the first year of ownership, we'll not only repair it for free, but also give you your money back. Simply register your device with ZenCare after purchase, and you can feel safe knowing we've got you covered at no extra cost. We pride ourselves on the durability of our computers, whether it be a desktop PC, all-in-one, or one of our rigorously tested, military-grade certified laptops. So if you're a home business or growing enterprise, you know you can rely on ASUS to keep your business moving. It's unsurprising that we were voted Best Laptop Brand for 2020. Visit our website and secure your business today.